Fear is powerful. It keeps us stuck in jobs that drain our energy, under bosses who don't value us, and in routines that feel endless. Many professionals wake up every day wondering if today will be the day they lose their job. The fear of financial instability, the fear of failure, and the fear of the unknown. It's overwhelming. But here's the truth. Fear is not your enemy. It's a signal that you're standing at the edge of growth. And beyond that edge lies freedom. Fear whispers lies. You're not ready. You'll fail. You'll regret this. It convinces us that staying in a dead-end job is safer than chasing independence. It tells us that seeking contracts means constant struggle. But fear thrives in uncertainty, and uncertainty is where opportunity lives. The question isn't whether fear will show up. It's whether you'll let it control your future. Job security is an illusion. Companies restructure. Markets shift. Roles disappear. If you have ever felt undervalued, anxious, or worried about layoffs, you are not alone. Thousands face this reality every day. But here's the empowering truth. Independence gives you control. It replaces uncertainty with clarity. It turns fear into fuel for growth. Financial fear is real. What if I can't pay my bills? What if I fail? These questions haunt every aspiring contractor. But independence doesn't mean recklessness. It means planning, building a safety net, understanding your market, and creating multiple income streams. With the right strategy, financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a decision. One of the greatest myths about going independent is that you are on your own. You're not. There are mentors, networks, and resources designed to guide you. Communities of contractors, freelancers, and consultants exist to share wisdom and support. When you step into independence, you step into a world of collaboration, not isolation. Every breakthrough in life begins with courage. Fear is the gatekeeper to your greatest achievements. When you push through fear, you discover strength you didn't know you had. You realize that the life you've been dreaming of, the freedom, the flexibility, the recognition is waiting on the other side of fear. Start small. Assess your skills. Build a financial cushion. Learn the legal and operational essentials. Connect with others who've walked this path. Independence isn't a leap into chaos. It is a series of intentional steps. Every step forward weakens fear's grip. Thousands have faced the same fears you feel now, and they have overcome them. They've gone from uncertainty to confidence, from dependence to independence. Their success isn't luck. It's courage, preparation, and persistence. And if they can do it, so can you. Right now, you have a choice. Stay where fear feels safe, or step into the unknown where growth lives. The greatest moments in life happen when we choose courage over comfort. This is your moment. What will you choose? If you want to become an independent contractor, freelancer, or consultant, or you want to take your side hustle to the next level, click on the link in the description below to learn more about our program. Don't let fear decide your future. Take control. Embrace independence. Your journey starts now.